In this lesson, we're going to figure out which fraction is more by using a benchmark. So if we have a problem like this one that says which fraction is more, 4 over 5 or 3 over 6, we're going to use a benchmark to figure that out. So these are the fractions. This is 4 over 5 and this is 3 over 6. So we get to compare each fraction to 1/2 to figure this out. 1/2 is called a benchmark. Okay, so let's underline that. 1/2 is called a benchmark. Okay, so let's put in the benchmark. So this is our 1/2. We could see that this is the exact same size but cut into a half. Similarly, this is the exact same size but also cut into a half. And what we'll notice here is that when we compare 4/5 to 1/2, we know that 4/5 is greater than a half. So this fraction is greater than this benchmark. And if we do a similar comparison for the 3 over 6, we could see that 3 over 6 is actually equal to 1/2, right? 3 over 6 compared to 1/2 is equal to 1/2. So because 4/5 is greater, then that's going to follow that 4 over 5 is greater than 3 over 6. And that's how you do this. So using the benchmark, you come up with the fact that 4/5 is greater than 3 over 6 because 4/5 is greater than the benchmark. And don't worry if you don't get this right away, just rewatch the video. I have other videos that are similar to this in the description if you need more help. Also, I have the ebook that you could download and you can follow along in the ebook this exact lesson.